Hello. In this video, I'm going to show how you can use the snipping tool to create screenshots in Windows 11. So you may have the snipping tool on your taskbar already. I'm guessing you don't though, so go to search. Then you want to type in snipping tool. As you can see, it's here. Then you have an option to select either video or like a camera for pictures. Since you probably want to take screenshots, just leave this selected. And then the snipping mode, basically selects what shape you want to snip. I usually just do rectangle. This is delay snip, you probably don't need that. Then you can click new. And this will give you an option to do the screenshot. Now I'm just gonna make a rectangle like this. And there you go, here's your screenshot. Now this actually automatically copies, so if you want to like paste it into a document or something, you can do that. Or you can just click this to copy too. This will save the file. You can save it to your documents or desktop, wherever. And up here, you can actually draw like on the screenshot. So you can select the colors, you can select the size here. I'll actually select yellow. I'm just going to draw a line here. As you can see, it acts like a normal drawing tool. With highlight, it's basically just like darker and more see-through. And yeah, you could select the colors with this, like you did with the marker. Eraser, you can just erase whatever you drew. Shapes, you can add shapes to it. So yeah, here's the options here. Crop allows you to crop the image. Now this option here, I believe you can actually like grab the text if you have text in the image. Undo and redo, then you can edit in Paint. These allow you to zoom and just a few other options. And yeah, that's about all you need to know for the snipping tool. So hopefully that helped. If you need more help with this or maybe a different software, I have a link in the description where I'll help you like one-on-one with your tech issues or teach you more about the snipping tool or whatever. So I'll have that in the description in case you want to try it out. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.